So I want to charge the National Executive, take it very serious. And it should be part of your manual of teaching. An abomination to be engaged in illicit affairs. Let's mention about purity. God is a spirit. Launching out into the deep. And that's the theme. Launching out into the deep. And I'm saying that, one, we should learn about new ways of enhancing our spirituality.
In an interview with the Director General of the Guild of the Servants of the Sanctuary, Brother Cyril Benoni Ni Note Tetefio, he stated that they will try their best to come out with a Bible studies guide to help the young ones into the Guild of Servants and be in line with their doctrines.
In breaking new grounds, as the Archbishop says, most of the things that he highlighted are things that we already do. So all that we do is that we have to intensify them more. The emphasis is going to be on catching the younger ones so that they become ours forever. Moving on with a very deep Bible studies. And like he said, we're going to try our best to make sure we come out with a Bible study guide, a Bible study manual for the Service Guild, so that the younger ones that will join the church will really understand what the Anglican Church is, and then they will be in line so that they will not be swayed from our doctrines and then the way we do our things. My advice to viewers or Anglicans or non-Anglicans is that the Anglican Church is a very good church. It's a very good fellowship. It has a lot of spirituality. It has a lot in it. The bottom line for the whole thing is about salvation. What I would tell Anglicans that are not servants of the sanctuary is that they should try and join the Service Guild to get more closer to God.